I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. This week I want to be talking about colors and more specifically getting into the basics of color and how to understand them and breaking down each category in the most simple way I know how. And I want to just keep it short and easy and like a quick guide, so to speak. And if you want to learn how or learn more, then keep on watching. Now, first I want to apologize for the lighting. The sun has gone down, so the only lighting I have is my chandelier up above, but we will make do with what we have. Now, I'm going to be sitting more on this side just so that I can insert pictures as a representation of what I am talking about on this side. What I want to cover first, and the first thing that you need to know about colors, are primary colors. Now, what are primary colors? It's the first colors that you see in a color wheel. It is yellow, blue, and red. All other colors are made up of these colors. These are the basics of your color wheel. Now, if you want to move on with those colors and kind of mix and match a little bit, then we get the secondary colors, which are when you combine yellow with blue, you get green. And when you combine blue with red, you get purple. And with red and yellow, you get orange. Now, orange, green, and purple are now your secondary colors because they are the second ring in the color wheel, to make it simple to understand. Primary is the first triangle in the center. Secondary colors are the first ring around that, and then we kind of move on from that, mixing and matching colors. What are complementary colors? Now, complementary colors are colors that look good together. They are not too much for each other and they make each other look better. So usually to have a complementary color, you need to figure out how much of each, but because it's not a 50-50%. You can't have 50% of this color and 50% of that color and then it will be balanced. No, that's not how the balance works in the color world, at least. Complementary colors in this color wheel are green and red, yellow, purple, blue, and orange. Now, I don't know if you have seen, like for instance, yellow and purple. You are gonna need less purple than yellow just because purple is a heavier color than yellow if you want to have the complementary balance. But usually when you come with green and red, you kind of get a 50-50 and you can get away with it. It depends on the shade, but that's usually, if you have the same kind of shade, 50-50 is very easy. Now with blue and orange again, if you have a darker blue, you're going to need more orange. But if you have a very strong orange, you're going to need more blue to kind of balance that out. And that's how complementary colors work. Now, cold colors versus warm colors. I know if you're looking at yourself, we will say if you look good with silver, you could look good with cold colors, and if you look good with gold, you look good with warm colors. Now, the color wheel, if you're gonna strip it down all the way to its basics, then you have the yellow, the orange, and the red. Those are your warm colors, and the green, the blue, and the purple, those are your cold colors. Now, I know that different colors have shades that are warm, so it's not a strict rule saying all reds and all yellows and all orange are warm, because some of them are colder color. And if you're wondering what shades are, a shade is a mixture of where white or black has been added to the color to make it either lighter or darker, and hence you get light red or you get dark red if you have black in it. So that's the only thing it is. It's a difference within a color. Now that we have talked about shades, that kind of make all colors seem like there's a lot of colors out there, because there are so many colors out there. Well, there are many shades of colors out there, to be specific, but every shade has a name and a number so that it's easy to keep track of which one is which. And usually you can get away with using a Pantone code. You can use the color name, and I know there are different codes out there depending on what system is being used. Usually a Pantone code is easy to find. Now, if you want to go in and get a specific color for paint, I suggest you get a code instead of a color name, just so that they can put that into their computer. It's going to be a lot easier. So if you're looking for paint, bring the code, not the name of the color. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is neutral colors. Now, neutral colors are some colors you cannot find on the color wheel. It's white, it's black, it's gray, it's brown. All of these you cannot find on the color wheel, and they are neutral colors. So they look good with both the primary and the secondary colors, and they look good with both the warm colors and cold colors. Now, I know that colors can be quite scary, especially if you don't understand them, but I need you to know that it takes a lot for you to do a wrong color combination. It takes a lot for you to do something wrong. That is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, please leave a like down below, and if you have any questions or anything like that, then leave a comment down below and I will answer questions. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I post a video. Now, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!